Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make some sweet potatoes in the air fryer. We'll start off by peeling the potato. You don't have to. If you want to, you could leave the skin on, but I'm going to peel this one. Now for this next part, you need a really good knife or suffer like I did. We're going to slice the sweet potato and then we're going to dice it into small cubes, bite-sized cubes. We try to make them roughly the same size so that they could cook evenly. Now that I got them all diced up, I like to put them in a bowl so that I could season them. I'm going to start off by using this olive oil. You could use avocado oil or any kind of cooking oil that you're used to using. Now I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm adding some pepper. Now we're going to mix this all together. We're going to get the sweet potatoes evenly coated with the oil and the seasonings. Now onto the air frying. Let's go ahead and place our sweet potatoes onto the air fryer trays. So my air fryer is the kind with the trays. So I'm going to spread the sweet potatoes evenly onto 2 trays. If your air fryer is a basket type air fryer, just go ahead and place them into the basket. Now I'm going to set the sweet potatoes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is over with, I'm going to go ahead and take them out and switch the trays around. So I'm going to place the bottom tray onto the top, and the top tray I'm going to switch to the bottom. And that's just so they could cook more evenly. Now if you have the basket type air fryer, you would just open it up and give it a little shake. Now let's set them a second time at 400 degrees Fahrenheit at 10 more minutes. So it's been a total of 20 minutes, so let's take them out and check them. They're done. Now these were starting to get a little bit blackened around the edges, but that's just because I had it placed onto the highest rack. To prevent that, you can place your trays onto the lower racks, or you can subtract the time a minute or 2. Now all air fryers heat differently, so go ahead and give it a try. They cooked up really good. They're nice and soft, but not mushy. Just how I like them. If you like this video, please help my channel out by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you.